Hey guys, Star here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up various shipping profiles based on the products you sell, locations that you ship to, and more. Now you will still have a general shipping profile to fall back on, but this ensures that you can actually get more accurate shipping rates based on specific integrations that you may have, shipping carriers, products that you sell, and locations being shipped to. Let's dive in. Okay, high levelers, so you're going to want to be on the sub account level. On the left-hand side, go ahead and select payments. Once you've selected payments, then we're going to go to the top and click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, let's just scroll down to shipping and delivery. Now it's important to note that you're always going to have a general profile, and this will automatically be the default shipping rate if a third-party app does not assign a profile. So once you're under the general profile, you can go ahead and add additional zones. You'll go ahead and click on the plus add zones. You're going to go ahead and scroll down to shipping zones. And then you're going to select the blue button that says plus add zone. You can see all of the various regions available. Go ahead and select the regions that you'd like to add. Then you can add various rates. So for example, if you want to have a flat rate, you can add a flat rate by selecting use flat rate. Then you can go ahead and name that rate, put in the description, and the amount. HighLevel will also use conditional pricing. So if you want to select that, you can as well. Here you're going to see with the conditional pricing, that you can actually utilize price-based costs for shipping or by item weight. If you want the shipping rate to be based on the dollar amount of an actual product that you're selling, you can go ahead and put in the minimum price and the maximum price for that based on the actual price of the order. Or you can go ahead and select weight if you want to use conditional pricing for the weight. So whatever the weight is of those products, minimum or maximum, you can go ahead and select those options as well. And you can also offer free shipping as well by leaving this blank. In this case, we're going to go ahead and add a specific flat rate for free based on a specific item weight, and we're going to go ahead and add that. You can continue to add a variety of rates. Maybe we're going to go ahead and do price-based, and we want to go ahead and select the conditional pricing. We'll go ahead and enter the cost of those products, and then we'll add that to our rates. Go ahead and select save. Now I want to talk about custom profiles. You're able to set specific rates and destinations for specific products. So here we're going to go ahead and select the plus add custom button. Then you're going to want to go ahead and name this profile. From there, you're going to go ahead and select the stores that you'd like to apply this to. Then you're going to click on add products. So maybe there's specific products that you want to ship. So for example, I can select all of these products, or I can say, you know, I'm not going to send any food products, but maybe I'm going to send clothing, and I'll go ahead and add those products. So you can see that you can continue to manage your products here. And then you can go ahead and select your shipping zone. So we're going to go ahead and add a zone. I'm going to select Canada. Then I'm going to name that zone. And then I'll go ahead and add that. So now I have a custom profile specific to Canada that supports specific stores and specific products. So go ahead and start setting up your general profile first. From there, you can layer in custom profiles based on specific products that you're selling or regions that you're shipping to. Don't forget to check out the help doc related to this training and check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.